I am Ramon Garcia. Welcome to my channel. Yeah. Today I wanna talk about something briefly out here in the state of Connecticut. It had something to do with an increase in a certain tax that was implemented by the governor and our House legislators. Our state senate, our House of Representatives. Those are the folks that we hire to work for us, and they come up with all these laws, policies, and so forth. So I went to a restaurant about a week ago, and I usually don't save receipts, but for some reason that night I saved my receipt. I saved the receipt. I don't know if I still have it around here or not. Oh, no, I don't. Hang on a second. Yeah, I saved. So, um, I went to the restaurant, and the following day, I checked my receipt, and I noticed, our tax here in Connecticut is 6.35%. Our sales tax, 6.35%. At least that's what I thought, right? And and you'll find out, it still is 6.35%, except for this new restaurant tax that they implemented back in 2019. I'll show you here. This is in 2019, October 1st. Okay, this policy statement explains when food will be subject to sales and use of tax as a meal. As of October 1st, 2019, sales of meals and certain beverages are subject to tax at both the standard 6.35% rate and an additional 1% tax for a total effective rate of 7.35% for meals. So I went to this restaurant, I looked at my receipt the next day, and I noticed that the tax rate was 7.35. I said, wait a minute, I thought the tax rate was 6.35. And I did some research and found out that in 2019 they snuck this in here, so they added a 1% tax for all restaurants, anything, any business that prepares a meal for customers. There's a 1% tax that was put on there, and I didn't know about it. I missed it somehow. They didn't talk about it. They didn't throw it out there in the news like they usually do for other stuff. So I was a little upset about this. Not sure what the reason to this, what the reason is behind this. But yeah, so here, cost of rate 6.35, 7.35, so another percent. And a lot of us may say, well, it's only 1%, but that 1% adds up, folks. That 1% adds up. You know, there's such the government's mismanaging our funds to a point where it's just ridiculous, absurd. There's no reason why we should be paying the taxes that we're paying. Um, Not just sales tax, but income tax and property tax. In Connecticut, there's a motor vehicle tax. There's taxes for everything out here. So just wanted to point that out to you. And so what was interesting was I'll um, I'll show you here. So there's three. So they came up with this incentive for three times. So during these 3 weeks, and the dates are stated here specifically. So during these 3 weeks, and I'll show you here. I'm just trying to pull it up. Okay, so during these 3 weeks, right here, August. Let me just pop my screen back up here. There we go. August 1st through the 7th, that which passed, December 8th, 12th through the 18th. That was the day I went to dinner, the 18th. 21st, and then in May of next year on the 22nd. So every restaurant has to apply. They have to apply to this program, and they when they apply, they get one of these 3 weeks. They get to keep that 1%, which I think is pretty cool. right? I mean, these restaurants took a hit. I'm not against restaurants. I just want to say that, offhand. I just, I don't know. It's just, it seems like the state is always trying to sneak stuff in and, screw the consumer pretty much, right? Um, so there, any one of these weeks, the restaurant can choose to keep that 1% for their business, which I thought was nice. They should actually give them more based on what they went through COVID. They should give these restaurants a lot more than that 1 week. And these are the 3 weeks. It's a program. They have to apply for it, and they gotta be approved. And then once they're approved, they can go ahead and keep. They get to choose that week. Uh, um, to keep that 1% for any one of these weeks. So I just wanted to point that out to you. So now this tax rate is not going away, it's going to stay. Okay, the only difference is they're giving the restaurants that 1% back any one of these weeks. So if you already chose 1 week, August 1st, you don't get it again if you're a restaurant. If you haven't gotten it, guess what? You got May 15th through the 21st. You can apply for the program, okay, and they'll give you, if you're approved, they'll give you the 1% tax. They'll give it to the business for that week. So on all your earnings, on all your taxes you charge for that week, that 1% will go to you. So there you have it. Just want to throw that out there. This ain't going nowhere after that. It's probably going to be over with, and our tax for restaurants will be 7.35. Meanwhile, the regular tax rate will be 6.35, which sounds a little bit crazy, but it is what it is. They implement it, and let me tell you, once they implement taxes, folks, they don't reduce them. They don't reduce them, and they don't take them away. They're there forever. It only goes up, and it only gets worse. So there you have it. I just wanted to share that with you. If you like this content, smash my like button, subscribe to my channel, folks, and I hope this was informative. Peace out. Yeah.